Hey there, welcome to Cram School Computer Science. My name's Nick Rodriguez, and I'm the founder and host of this channel. I got the idea to create this channel when reading about the cram school system that's popular outside of the United States, especially in Eastern Asian countries like Japan and China. What I found most appealing about the cram school system was the fact that people are dedicating large portions of their free time just to get a leg up on their peers. Most of these people either work or go to school all day, but then in the afternoon, they attend a cram school just so that they can get extra lessons in topics that they think are important. I love the tenacity and the grit involved in that approach, and I think many people could benefit from adopting a similar approach to their own studies. So that's why I built this channel. I intend for it to be a cram school-like resource for university-level computer science students. So that's what I intend for this channel and its content. But I'm sure there's going to be people that'll use this in ways other than what I intended. If you're one of those people using this content in new and interesting ways, please reach out and let me know. If you let me know, I can help develop content that'll be the most beneficial to everyone that views this channel, not just the people that I have in mind. If you enjoy the content featured on this channel, you can do me a huge favor by smashing that subscribe button so that I can keep making educational content available for free on YouTube. Thank you so much and keep working hard.